In this video, I'll be covering question 5, part C from the 2023 AP Calculus AB free response no calculator allowed portion of the exam. I cover parts A, B, C, and D all in their own individual videos, so if you want to see my other solutions, please check out my other videos. Alright, so question 5 gives us a table of values up at the top to work from, and that'll be what we use for this problem as we've used it on all the other pieces as well. C specifically is giving us this new function m here that is defined by this equation here. And then they want us to find what is the value of m of 2. This is a pretty straightforward problem. Remember that function notation always works the same, no matter if it's a nice, pretty equation like this front piece, or if it also includes an integral like the second half of this problem. If I come in and want to know what's a specific value, so if I want to know what is m of 2, remember function notation just says whatever I replace x with here, you replace x with in the equation. So I'm going to come in and everywhere I see an x, I'm going to plug in a 2. Integral from 0, and again, even if it's in an integral, I'm replacing x with 2. That's what I'm being asked to do. From here, I start calculating this out. The first part of this would end up being just straight up multiplication. You get 2 to the third, that would be 8. 8 times 5 would get us 40 for the front part. Finding the second piece of this comes directly from a definite integral. Remember that the definition of a definite integral says if I have the integral from a to b of some function f prime of x dx, that's going to end up equaling f of b, the top value plugged into the original equation, minus f of a, the bottom value plugged into that equation. So for the second part of this here, I'm going to get out f of, and then I'm going to plug in to the equation the top value. So plugging into the original equation the top value, minus plugging into the original equation that lower bound or the bottom value. And then from here, I'm going to use that table of values that they gave me to find out what those missing pieces are. So we've got the 40 up front, f of 2, so 2 is right here, and we're looking at the f of x value. So f of 2 would be 7, minus f of 0. 0 is right here. Plugging that into f of x would get us 10. So in the end, I end up with 40 plus 7 is 47, minus 10 gets us 37. So m of 2 is going to equal 37. So this problem was pretty straightforward. They would have given you 1 point basically for doing all of that work, and you'd be done. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, please click that like button and subscribe. And also share it with your friends and anyone else you know who might be crying about an upcoming AP Calc test. You can find more videos from me, more sample AP Calc questions, and my complete AP Calc study guide over at my website, apcalcprep.com. Have a great one.